Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming prerequisites so the commands work. First, connect as an admin user. This gives you permission to create a schema and users. Once connected, choose a clear schema name and preferred charset. UTF-8MB4 is best for broad Unicode support. Create or verify a dedicated database user with create and alter privileges. This limits risk. Make sure to set a secure password and keep a note of the host and port you used to connect. Now you create the schema and the first tables. Use create database with the charset and collation you chose. This ensures consistent sorting and storage. Once the database exists, switch to it with use DB name and create tables with explicit column types, not null where appropriate, and indexed columns for query speed. Add foreign key constraints to enforce relationships. After building objects, grant the minimal privileges to the application user and run flush privileges. Finish by validating your schema with sample queries and basic integration tests so you see how data behaves. Use explain to inspect query plans and add indexes if needed. Export a structure-only backup with Mysql dump no data to capture DDL before deployment. If something fails, make sure to examine information schema tables for object definitions and the MySQL error log for startup or permission errors. That single check often reveals mismatched charset, missing privileges, or syntax mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.